Assalamualaikum students. Okay, as I was selecting some questions for you from current and electricity topic, and this was question number 2, what I have selected. And this question is basically related to the potential divider. Let me erase this working before, and then I would work all of that again. Okay, now the question is that there is a fixed resistor and there is a variable resistor given over there, and a fixed resistor is basically a 40 ohm. This is mentioned over here, and that is connected with a battery of 12 volt, and a x variable resistor is there, and that resistor has minimum value of 500. This is its minimum resistance, and then it has maximum resistance of 500 ohm. Minimum is 5 ohm and maximum is 500 ohm. It means the resistance varies from 5 to 500 ohm. That's it. Now all is the game over here. What is the maximum range of values of the potential difference across the output? It means we have to find out the output over here. So output will be depending upon the resistance of x. So when R will be minimum, V will be minimum across that. And when R would be maximum, V will be maximum across its output. So let me introduce you a formula over here. I have written that formula before I have started. In this situation, I have basically reproduced that circuit diagram, regenerated that one. How? That I will use this formula. That formula is related with potential divider circuits. And what is the significance of that formula? That you are not required to calculate current over here. So here it is, the potential difference across any resistor is equals to its resistance R1. That's why I have described that V1 is equals to R1 divided by total resistance of that entire circuit which is in series times entire potential differences, or you can say the EMF. So here I will select for V minimum. I will draw a circuit, and then that will lead you for the maximum values as well. For minimum value, as I told you, that they would be available at R minimum. So let's draw the circuit and make a concept clear to you people. Of course, you will not do this all hardship in your exam, but this is the time before exam. That's why I would recommend you all that learn by a complete diagrams, then your concepts would be very much clear. When you will visualize the concept and you are able to draw that, it means that you can handle this. So this is your 40 ohm fixed resistor, let me call it R, and here it is X, and that X is at 5 ohm right now. And here I can calculate V from here, from this formula. When I will use this value, sorry, I have solved this before, but I did not have calculator. That's why I have to erase this. These all calculations are all these values before doing this again. Okay, so put this all in the formula, all values in the formula. Here R1 is your 5, because this is that resistor across which I'm going to calculate, and in the denominator total resistance will be used, and that total resistance is basically 5 plus 40, so it would be 45. So here the total would be 5 times 60, 5 times 12 divided by 44. It means that it is 60 divided by 44. So you will get this answer. 60 divided by 44 is your, sorry, 60 divided by 45 is your 1.3. So the minimum value is 1.3 volts. Now similarly, your V max can be calculated by the same diagram, but for that one, what you have to do, you have to draw the diagram again if you want. But I believe that there is no need to draw the diagram again for you people, because you people have got the idea. But I'm going to make the thing simple for you people, so it will take just 30 seconds for me to draw the diagram for you, but your concept will be clear. So this is R again 40 ohm, but now this X is 500 ohm. So when this is 500 ohm, I would draw a voltmeter across it, and that voltmeter give me a maximum voltages as I told you. Now in this regard, what you have to do, you have to use this 500 as R1 divided by 500 plus 40. This is your formula, as I told you, that V1 is equals to R1 divided by R1 plus R2 times total V. So it would be, the total V is actually your 12 volt. Here I have to mention that. So it is 12 volt. So the total values will be, I have to multiply that by using that calculator. 500 times 12, it is 6000 divided by 540. So it is divided by 540, and you are getting 11.11. So I will write it 11.1. So hopefully the answer is, the Vmax is 11.1 volt, and your minimum value is 1.3. So according to that, your option A is correct. Okay, I hope that this question is clear to you now. Without calculations, I reached to this point, but I found that calculations must be done. That's why I have calculated this all for you people. Hope it is clear to all of you.